Dear love, hindi ko alam kung paano ako magsisimula ulit. All I want is to have my own happy family. To become a loving wife and a responsible mother. At lahat ng aking pangarap ay nawala na parang pula.
Let's welcome our newlyweds, Mr. Luke and Mrs. Iya Sanchez. Again, Mr. and Mrs. Sanchez.
Dear love, madaming beses na din akong umattend ng kasal. At sa mga kasal na napuntahan ko, palagi akong inspired at hopeful na balang araw ay maisa sa buhay ko din ang ganitong klaseng fairy tale dream. Yung ikakasal ka sa taong mahal mo at sigurado kang makakasama mo sa habang buhay. But this time, ito ang unang kasal na lungkot, takot at pag-aalinlangan ang naramdaman ko sa kasal mismo ng kapatid ng fiancé ko. Matagal ko nang nararamdaman na unti-unting nawawala ang love namin ni Lloyd sa isa't isa. Hindi ko alam kung parte ba ito ng long-term relationship, pero ramdam ko talaga na parang may iba. Lahat ng ginagawa namin ay parang isang nakasanayan or routine na lamang. Hindi ko alam kung nag-overthink pa ako, pero napakahalaga ng sweetness at spark. Katulad ng nakikita ko sa kapatid niya at sa asawa nito. Mag-isa lang akong umiinom ng wine malapit sa entrance ng hall. Ayoko munang bumalik sa table dahil gusto ko munang mapag-isa.
Luke is younger than Lloyd, right? And yet, siya pa ang unang ikinasal kaysa sa kuya niya kalukan.
Mas romantic kasi si Luke kaysa kay Lloyd. You know, they have different personalities. Uy, but I heard Lloyd is already engaged. Uy, ikaw.
Dear love, tama sila. Sobrang iba ang personality ni Lloyd sa kapatid niya. Sa 10 years naming magkarelasyon, hindi ko nakikita kay Lloyd na parang sigurado na siya sa akin or may balak siyang magpakasal. Kaya nung nag-propose siya, hindi ako gaanong natuwa or nagulat. Dahil tingin ko, dahil lang iyon sa kinukumpara siya kay Luke ng mga parents nila. Isa din naman akong tanga na nagstay sa isang relasyon ng isang dekada dahil una, ayoko nang kumilala ng iba. Pangalawa, iniisip ko na baka wala nang magmamahal sa akin gaya ni Lloyd. Pero hindi ko alam kung tama ba na maramdaman ito sa ngayon, yung lungkot. O kagaya lang din ako ng mga kamag-anak ni Lloyd na kinukumpara siya sa kapatid niya. Gusto ko din laging paaalahanan ang sarili ko na magkakaiba tayo lahat ng personalities at love languages. Pero bakit hindi ako masaya? Bakit parang pakiramdam ko, pagod na ako?
Now let's hear the messages of our newlyweds to each other before their first dance.
Hi, Iya. Or should I say, my wife. Totoo yung sinabi sa lyrics ng kanta, when you know, you know. And I can say that at first glance, I knew it. Ikaw yung babaeng gusto kong pakasalan. The phrase, wife her up, is playing all over my head. Sino bang hindi magkakagusto kay Iya? Compassionate, sweet, and she is really warm, di ba? I like how you handle things gracefully. You give me peace. I want to be with you in every phase of my life. I am thankful to God that He granted my prayer to start a beautiful life with you. I love you, Iya.
Oh, that's so sincere. Now let's hear our gorgeous bride.
nasabi ko na lahat sa vow kanina, so I'll take this time to appreciate my husband. Look, you bring out the best in me, and I am glad na ikaw ang kasama ko habang tinutupad ko ang mga pangarap ko. I'm grateful that we focus on our individual growth and completed ourselves, which allowed us to fill each other's cup. I will always cherish our days together and do my best to submit and love you with all of my heart. I love you always, my husband, my four-leaf clover.
Dear love, I don't know if I am just overthinking or jealous at this moment. Iniisip ko kung maririnig ko din ba mula kay Lloyd ang mga salitang narinig ko sa mga bagong kasal. Na-appreciate niya ba talaga ako? Bakit ko nararamdaman ito? After all these years, why do I feel insecure? I am getting emotional habang pinapanood ang unang sayaw nila Iya at Luke.
Let's give a round of applause. What a sweet first dance.
Dear love, hindi ko dapat ito maramdaman. Engaged na ako at anytime pwede na naming planuhin kung kailan kami kakasal. Pero hindi ko mapigilang umiyak. Tiningnan ko ang mga nasa paligid ko. All of them were filled with tears of joy. Samantalang ako, inggit. My fiancé, hindi ko mabasa kung ano ang nasa facial expression niya. But he is still...
Calling all the bridesmaids here in front for our bouquet toss. Again, calling all the bridesmaids.
Ay, Clara, nandito ka pala. Let's go in front. Bukitos na.
Sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, our lovely bridesmaids, are you ready for our bouquet toss? Okay, yeah. Toss it in 3, 2, 1.
Dear love, is it a sign? Sa direksyon ko mismo punta ang bouquet? And all I should do is to catch it? And I did.
Congratulations! Wow! You are the next bride-to-be for sure! Alam mo nakikita ko? That's an engagement ring, correct? What's your name, gorgeous?
Hi, my name is Clara.
Is that your fiancé, sir? May you join us here on stage, please?
Dear love, unti-unti ako nakakaramdam ng hiya dahil mukhang hindi masaya si Lloyd. He is serious and ayaw man lang ngumiti kahit chini-cheer na siya.
Kuya, join natin Clara.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Clara. Well, her fiancé is just having an emergency call, so congrats, Miss Clara. And if you need a host to your upcoming wedding, you know where to contact me. You may now sit Miss Clara. Thank you so much.
Dear love, iniyak ko ng iniyak ang hiya na naramdaman ko mula sa pag-walk out ni Lloyd. Gets ko naman na hindi niya gusto ng exposure at crowd. Pero sana naisip niya ako. How will I be able to trust him sa malalaking bagay kung sa ganito pa lang kaya na niya akong iwan sa ere?
Clara? Clara, I know you're here. Are you okay?
Yes, Iya, I'm okay. Bakit ka umalis sa reception?
No worries. Pinapalabas pa yung iba naming video, so hindi naman ako need doon for now. I just wanna check on you. I'm sorry. I just want to make sure na okay ka. Open the door, please. Oh, Clara, I'm sorry. Naiintindihan kita. Here, I'll give you a hug.
Thank you, Iya. We all know it's not because of an emergency call. See, he did not even check on me or say sorry.
I don't know what to say, Clara. You deserve so much more. And if you feel like you don't deserve to be treated this way and it's causing you so much pain, talk to him. If he can't do anything to change it, then you know what you need to do. It is always the small things, the thoughtful gestures, the shows, and prove that you are important to him. Trust your little voice if it says you deserve better.
Thank you, Iya. Sometimes, I envy you. Kasi, baka hindi ako kasing compassionate mo kaya hindi ko nararanasan yung ganong treatment from Lloyd.
No. Don't say that, Clara. You're such a compassionate woman. I pray na kung gaano ako kasi sa wedding ko, ganun ka din. And I'm happy to witness that soon. Cheer up, okay? Babalik na ako sa loob.
Thank you, Iya. Best wishes.
You too.
Clara, what's with this restaurant reservation for? Pwede naman sa bahay mo if you have something to say.
Lloyd, I just want to talk to you.
Ano na naman?
Lloyd, really? 2 days after the wedding, hindi mo tinanong kung okay ba ako after you walked out? Hindi ka din nag-offer na ihatid ako sa bahay, which is, sige, I'll understand kasi kasal ng kapatid mo. You are busy, but I never really feel na kahit minsan naging priority mo ako.
Clara, inaya mo ako dito sa restaurant para sa childish whims mo? Alam mong hindi ko gustong humarap sa crowd, di ba? Tapos, sinalo mo pa talaga yung bouquet kahit obvious naman na ikakasal ka na. Engaged na tayo. Ayun, may singsing ka na. Hindi pa ba yan sapat sa'yo?
Lloyd, do you think this is about the ring? Or assurance na papakasalan mo ako soon? It's about how you treat me na matagal na nating issue.
Why? Oh, ano bang gusto mo? Yung kagaya ni Luke? Masyadong cheesy sa harap ng tao. PDA. Alam mo from the start na hindi ako ganun and yet you embraced it. Umabot na nga tayo ng 10 years, di ba?
Yun na nga ang point, Lloyd. Umabot tayo ng 10 years na iniintindi ko yung pagiging nonchalant mo pero ni minsan ba naisip mo din yung nararamdaman ko? You grew in a house full of love, Lloyd. You have a pattern, your parents, and now si Luke. Pero ikaw, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganyan ka kabato pagdating sa akin.
I really don't understand you. Kasal yun ng kapatid ko and yet, after 2 days, here you are, thinking about yourself.
Hindi mo ba talaga ako magets, Lloyd? All these years, palagi kitang iniintindi. Are you really in love with me?
Ano ba talaga yan? 10 years na tayo, Clara.
See? Hindi mo kayang mag-react kapag sweet gestures. Pero kapag cornered ka, ang bilis mo mag-react. I should have listened to my intuition. taon lang ang nawala kumpara sa mahabang taon na kasama siya na hindi ako masaya. Tama nga ang sabi ng iba. You deserve better and you should always choose yourself.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Radio
Basic!